Welcome. If you want to change log method in your Motorola One Vision, for the first you have to enter settings, then scroll down and click on the security. For example, we'll go for the screen lock, and right here we can change it between pattern, pin, password, and currently we set up the swipe, so let's change for the pattern. Let's draw, tap on the next and draw it again, click on the confirm. Right now we can adjust the notifications on the lock screen. I'm gonna leave it like that, and right now when we are going to lock our device, and just to unlock we have to input our log method that we set up, and is of course the pattern. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.